This is as clean as we're gonna be today, guys. Are you ready to get down and dirty? We got some work to do here on the Rancho. We got rose bushes to trim, and we got a couple water leaks to fix. So yeah, glove up. No excuses now. Grab your Gatorade or whatever. This is gonna be the equivalent of like working on a chain gang in Alabama in August, baby. Let's get to it. All right, here's the first situation we have here. We got some kind of well leak along here. So I've already taken the lawnmower and stripped off, cut the grass back here. We're just going to dig in. Till we find it. Get down there until we find the pipe. It's got to be somewhere along here. So yeah, it'll be your workout for the day. You dig a wide hole at one end, and then once we establish the pipe, we can go back a little bit thinner on it. Our digging. If we need to, we'll pop the water on, and that'll show us a little more precisely where the leak is, the main part of the leak coming up. Usually the soft soil indicates too. We just got to get down. Get down on it. Somewhere down here. Too old for this stuff. We're going to put the water on and see where she's coming up. All right, can you see it right over there? That establishes our digging location. Woo! If you look real closely, you can see what looks like the main point coming up right there. So that's what we want to bear down on. Right there. I know what you guys are thinking. This looks like a scene out of There Will Be Blood, right? Daniel Plainfield down in the oil, feeling around, right? I'm just down trying to feel where the pipe might be without having to run more water in it. There will be blood. Mr. Plainview? Yeah. Whew, there will be blood. There will be blood. Well, you can see the where that's coming at. That's a pretty severe break right there. It's like a lateral when it goes this way. So we're gonna have to cut out this section and see if we can maybe throw a coupling in. If I got one, we'll try that first. And there's what we got. I've tried to cinch the new pipe in there. You can see it's a compound joint where it seemed to meet either very fossilized plastic line down there with a coupling. But I'm going to, I have a hose clamp on it. I'm going to try to turn that in as far as I can and then cut this and try to back it out onto that one. So a little bit of finagling. It may or may not work. I might have to dig and put a longer section of line in there. We will see. The new piece is in, and we're just pressure testing that section there. So far it's looking pretty good. I'm not seeing any evidence of leak, but we'll get it under all the pressure, 55 pounds per square inch. We'll see what happens. What I found in that hole, an old school spark plug. Pretty wild. The guy that used to own this place before used it as an auto mechanic shop, so kind of cool. All right, it's been about 20 minutes there. Still holding good, so we can kind of declare victory over this one. And we'll leave this open for now, and we'll go start digging the other one. There will be blood and mud. Starting to see a little moisture down here. I had to cut back the lemon tree a little bit to get to it. Let's see what's going on. That's the way we do it, hide and seek. How you like me now? It didn't take long to find that one. Huh? So let's see if we can get a repair in there. We're gonna really flood this place out in a minute when we cut that line. So let me go turn off the pump and drain some of the water. There will be mud and blood. Mudcrab, huh? Baby's really gonna fill up. We struck oil. Gas. Can you say mud crab? Man, what a struggle today. Here, let me show you. We had a big tear. This looked like a regular water line too. It didn't look like a well line, but I don't know if you can see that that cut right in there. Wow. How do you like me now? All right, bad news. We got a little back one right there too. Double trouble. Let's turn the pressure off. Do it again. There's a reason they call this the dirtiest job on the Rancho, man. I am just swimming in mud today. But we've now fixed a compound leak here. So we can go ahead and shovel in both holes, do one last check, make sure everything is okay. Oh, it's like being in a mud wrestling match. Nice, a cold beer. say it's quitting time. I say we're nowhere near quit right now. We got more work to do. We got to trim back this stuff. Give you a workout. Getting it done. I'm about about a third of the way down. Looking good up front. Got about 90% of that stuff. The rest is from the front yard, but just making my way down. Whoa. Well, what do you guys think? We're walking the line here. About half the length of a football field today. Chopped off, cleaned up. Give us a little breathing room on the side here. I'm really happy not to have that crawling up the house. It's what I call a total win. Woo! That's going to be a wrap today, guys. I told you it would be blood. There would be blood, and there was plenty of it today out here. But there's also a great sense of accomplishment. It's always good. One of the good things about YouTube is if you come out and say, I'm going to do something, or I'm going to accomplish this today, it really puts a fire in the belly to make sure that you complete what you say you're going to do. And yeah, at about the 2 o'clock mark, it got a little draggy, got a little tiresome, but we fixed compound well leaks today. Out here, the irrigation lines, it got all that Lady Banks roses trimmed back. So I feel good. I feel good. I got a lot of cleanup to do, but I got the bulk of it done, and I had you guys along. So as usual, thumbs up are appreciated, and let me know in the comment section down below while I'm sweating here. What is your most hated yard project? Is it cutting the grass? Is it trimming bushes? Trimming, edging lawn? Let me know. All right, guys, thumbs up are appreciated. Thanks so much.